Hello students, welcome in the GK class of 6th standard. Today we are going to start lesson number 28, Human Made Greatest Inventions. So students, in today's class we are going to read the different inventions made by human which drastically changed our lifestyle. Let's start reading of the lesson, Human Made Greatest Inventions. Inventions made by humans make our life easy and comfortable. Recognize the following greatest inventions made by humans by reading their brief descriptions. Write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. Students, we are going to discuss the greatest inventions made by humans which make our life easy and comfortable. First of all, we have to read the brief description, then recognize which invention is this, and then write its name in the given blanks. So students, see this first box given in this lesson. It helps us to build and repair things. So students, this is the picture of tools. Tools are the things used to make tasks easier. The first tools were made in the Stone Age and Bronze Age. After that, people have made many new and more complicated tools. Some important tools that are often used today are the hammer, wrench, etc. Very basic things like knives, pens, and pencils are also tools. The knife is one of the first tools made by humans. Now see the second box. This invention made the printing of books easier and faster. It also helps in circulating information faster. So students, printing press was one of the greatest inventions made by human being. This invention made the printing of books easier and faster. It also helps in circulating information very fast. The first press marked a clear shift away from handwritten books to printed ones. Over time, the movable printing press developed into faster, higher capacity press which ultimately changed the world. The main benefit of the printing press was that it allowed ideas and news to be shared quickly, which helped the people. Now students, let's come to the third point. It helps us in saving lives, preventing infections, and curing several diseases. So students, these are the antibiotics. Antibiotic is a medicine which is used for destroying bacteria and curing infections. It is the most important type of antibacterial agent for fighting bacterial infections and widely used in the treatment and preventions of infections. Let's read number 4th. This makes possible for us to work at night, improves productivity and enhances the quality of life. Students, our lifestyles have been completely changed by the invention of electric light bulb. Light bulbs were invented during the 1800s by many scientists. There were so many typical ways to provide light in dark areas in the ancient times, but with the invention of light bulbs, our lifestyle becomes very easy. This makes possible for the people to work at night and improves productivity of their work. Now students, see this fifth number box. This has been regularly used in nearly all types of vehicles, from ancient carts to the modern jetliners. The wheel is often described as the most important invention of all time. It had a fundamental impact on transport and later on agriculture and industry. The invention of wheel represented a major turning point in human civilization. By using the wheel, mankind gained the ability to work more efficiently and travel more quickly. Now students, let's read the sixth point. It has transformed the world because it provides easy access to information from all over the world at any time. So students, here we are talking about internet. Even you all knows the benefits of internet very well in our daily life. Use of the internet makes our life easy, fast and simple. The internet helps us with facts and figures, information and knowledge for personal, social and economic development. There are many uses of internet. However, the use of the internet in our daily life depends upon the individual requirement and goals. Now students, see the point number 7. This the greatest invention ever made by the human beings. It is the only medium of communication and sharing of thoughts and emotions with other humans. So, students, language is the system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of a particular country. Language is a medium of exchange, medium of interact with others, medium of exchange information, thoughts, knowledge, memories, dreams, plans, etc. So, the invention of language made the human life very easy. So, students, here your lesson is over. Now, students, you have to fill the blanks with the right answers with the help of this video.